See here, this is my YouTube channel here. I can upload one video along with the schedule date. See here, there's upload option here. Just upload this button. So a lot of people will be confused. My video will upload by the after next 1 hour, maybe tomorrow exact 9 o'clock. So here, before that, just click what option call is schedule. Okay, just click the video here on your desktop. Now added video. What was that? Date, time, and the name specific, IST or maybe in specific time, everything here. Now here, 17th. I can fix by 9 a.m. Here, suppose you can fix by today itself, 16th. Suppose I put fitting for 9 a.m. is accepting. Why all the time done? Will not accept. What is the time now? 9 p.m. Now, what that? Schedule. Suppose you're changing the schedule date. Tell me by what is that? Public also. Select it. So what is what is the date today? Why? Because scheduled by today itself. Okay. See. See what is that? Publish on exit date. So the time is the date and the time. So next 2 hours, exactly 9 p.m. Done. This is called schedule your video on using with the YouTube. So when you're scheduling time, they now give any time and date. After uploading video, you can fix your date, time, and your time frequency. That is called maybe specific time or Indian Standard Time. I think fixed by year. Is it clear? This is called schedule on video by using with the YouTube.